Retrieval practice is one of the most effective learning strategies, and all it is a task that makes you generate an answer to a question about anything that you already know. And this can take multiple forms, for example short quizzes, multiple choice tests, or even just asking a student to write down everything they know about a topic that they've already learnt. And we know it's so effective for a few different reasons. First, it helps students make new connections in their brain. It also strengthens old connections that they already have. It actually acts as a really nice buffer against stress, as well as helping them shift more information from their short-term memory into their long-term memory. So how can you harness the power of retrieval practice in your classroom? Well, the first rule is it should be low stakes, and that means using it in a non-stressful situation and definitely not part of a formal assessment either. We think that the start and the end of each lesson can provide a great time for a quick quiz, either on what the students have previously learned or what they learned during that lesson. This could be in the form of multiple choice quizzes, for example. And lastly, homework can provide a really valuable opportunity to reinforce their learning by doing lots of retrieval practice, and crucially shouldn't take too long to mark either. So in summary, retrieval practice is thinking of an answer to a question. It helps secure students' knowledge in their memory. It acts as a really nice buffer against stress, and great times to do it at the beginning and the end of each lesson with a quick quiz, as well as within their homework too.